morning. Let's make some nice today.
Yes.
Ang ganda naman.
Hindi nakikinig ako.
Malaman, ma-reach out pa
Let's go, Sam.
30 natin i-resume yung itong mahaba.
I'll just focus on the photo.
Ganda na, okay. Pagka-good morning mo, photo booth, and then ituloy mo lang. Tapos i-big na lang. Parati nasunod yun. And 3, 2, go.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Darwin Bucks Philippine Leadership Summit, HR Transformation Reimagined. Thank you once again, and the program will begin in a few minutes.
1.25 ano kung bakit. Inulit mo once again ng magkakong beses. Hindi na yun once again. Twice again. Twice again, God. Cheers mo lang.
Display on the screen.
Go enjoy yourself.
Conglomerate like the GoHongWei Group.
Binili talaga niya. Parang lagayan nga ng dog food, ate. Thank you, ate. Bababa na lang namin yung isa. May ko...
Maraming salamat po. Don't forget to make some noise.
Actually, nandito talaga kami na Sam para lang lumapang.
Ayan sila. Ayan si Penelope. Go, atake ka dyan.
Thank you so much all. Diba, bongga?
Muling magkakakulay ang Pasko.